Welcome back to the Kitchen Faucet channel. Today, we've got a common issue with the Kohler Barossa single-handle pull-down faucet. It's leaking, and we're finding water all around this area. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process of replacing the valve in a simple and easy language. Before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below for all the parts and model numbers needed for this repair. Shutting off the water. The first step is crucial. Before working on the faucet, make sure to turn off your water supply. Go under the sink, locate the water supply lines, and find the collar on one of them. Turn the collar one way to shut off the water and the other way to turn it back on. Easy, right? Removing the faucet handle. To access the valve, we need to remove the faucet handle. Inside the handle's base, you'll find a 2.5mm Allen screw. Get your Allen wrench, insert it into the hole, and unscrew it. If it's too tight, use some vinegar to loosen up the calcification and make the task easier. Taking out the valve. Now that the handle is off, you can slide the valve out. If it's stuck, use a larger Allen key and tap it with a rubber mallet. Be careful not to damage the faucet while doing this. Once the valve is out, clean up any calcification using a brass brush and vinegar. Replacing the valve. Time to install the new valve. Make sure to use the correct part number. Refer to the description for details. Slide the new valve in, aligning the keyed nubs properly. Double check that it's seated securely. Putting everything back together. Now, let's reassemble the faucet. Place the collar back on. You might want to replace this part if it's damaged and hand tighten it. Next, use a 7/8" wrench or socket to secure it properly. Check for any remaining calcification and clean it up. Reattaching the handle. Grab the faucet handle and insert the set screw with the Allen wrench. Gently tighten it, ensuring the handle is secure. Final checks and testing. Before turning the water back on, inspect everything for leaks or loose parts. Once you're confident everything is in place, turn the water supply back on. Para 1. Understanding the common issue. Leaking faucets can be a real nuisance, leading to wasted water and potential water damage. The Kohler Barossa single-handle pull-down faucet is a popular choice in many kitchens, but like any plumbing fixture, it's susceptible to wear and tear over time. The most common cause of leaks in this faucet is a faulty valve. The valve is responsible for controlling the water flow, and when it starts to malfunction, you'll notice water pooling around the base of the faucet. This issue can be easily resolved by replacing the old valve with a new one, and that's precisely what we're going to do in this video. Para 2. The importance of regular maintenance. Performing regular maintenance on your kitchen faucet can extend its lifespan and prevent more significant problems down the road. Calcium deposits and mineral buildup from hard water can accumulate inside the faucet, causing it to function improperly. By cleaning your faucet and inspecting it periodically, you can catch these issues early on and avoid costly repairs. Replacing the valve when it starts leaking is a relatively simple task that can be done by most homeowners, saving you money on hiring a plumber. Remember, a little maintenance can go a long way in keeping your kitchen faucet running smoothly and preventing unnecessary headaches. With the knowledge gained from this video, you'll be better equipped to tackle minor faucet repairs and maintain a well-functioning kitchen. Happy fixing! Success! Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the valve on your Kohler Barossa single-handle pull-down faucet. Turn on the faucet and check for any leaks. If everything works fine, you've done a great job. Thank you for joining us today on Kitchen Faucet. I hope this video was helpful and made the process of replacing your faucet valve easier. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Until next time, happy fixing!